Howdy campers, and welcome to Coffee Chat. Today we're going to talk instant coffee. I know a lot of you can't live without your Starbucks, Venti, Soy, pour over, French pressed, Keurig, whatever. But when I'm camping, I found it simplest to carry some instant coffee. This is normally what I bring. This is Trader Joe's instant coffee packets, all dressed up cream and sugar. You see how small they are? They're tasty. They wake you up. They do the job. 100% Arabica coffee. Me and my better half both enjoy these, and there's 10 in a box, and it's like $2.99. Can't beat that. Or can you? My local discount grocery has had a sale on different stuff lately, and this is Kopiko's. We got 3-in-1 Astig, which I have no idea what Astig means, but this is all, I believe, Korean coffee. Vietnamese. I don't know, I can't read it. Philippines? Maybe it's Philippines. Oh, Indonesia. Yeah, that's unusual. Distributed by a company out of Hawaii. All dressed up with cream and sugar. This one's pretty sweet. Strong and rich coffee, 3-in-1. Good stuff. You may have seen their candy or coffee drops, espresso hard candy drops, which are also good. Lots of coffee in those. Coffee and cream. Espresso and cream. So this is good. This is the premium 3-in-1. Enjoy strong and rich coffee from Kopiko, Indonesia. Jakarta. Cream and sugar is in it, like the others. And I think my last camping trip, I may have made a convert or two when I had to loan out someone who forgot their coffee. And finally, this one's probably my favorite of the Kopikos. This is brown coffee, which is just the right blend. Coffee and sugar. It's not as sweet. I really like the flavor of the brown. And this one's, we have a flock of about 30 peacocks in the neighborhood, for those of you who are new, and it's mating season. So the boys are out expressing their love for any female who will pay attention. And they're shaking their booty, they're spreading their feathers, the trail. And just about every day for the last week, a gaggle of girls, the flock of peahens, a peck of peahens comes up to hide from the boys up in our yard. There's generally 8 of them. They hang out and talk bad about the boys. Anyway, if you're here screeching, that's the boys. Where were we? Coffee. I mean, you can't get any easier. I've got a jet boil knockoff of Amazon, and I use a propane adapter with it. Man, it's so fast. I have my coffee in like a minute, as opposed to what seems like 20 minutes with my old cooker heater. This one's 110 calories, 90 calories, 90 calories, 50 calories. So this one's healthier for you, I guess. All of them are recommended, all tasty, all handy. Coffee. I'm one of those that has to have my coffee to start the day. 2 cups minimum, and I'm good to go. And this does the trick. They've been at a great price. Kopiko's not always cheap, but right now they're cheap at my local grocery outlet discount store, and as you can see, I've stocked up. So thumbs up on all of it, and nah, I gotta go make some coffee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.